welcome back to Rich and Bella Crafts. So if you remember, we did a giveaway video. It was actually a little longer ago than it was intended to be, back at the end of the month, and it was to win 3 of our DigiKits from our shop, and it's the first draw of 3 giveaways, and it was to thank you all for getting us to our 3,000 subscribers. So I'm going to do the draw today now for the previous giveaway, and then we'll start the next one then for you to win a selection of our ephemera stack, stuff that we've already made. So I'm just going to put you onto the screen of the laptop now so you can watch as I do the draw. Okay, so I have loaded in the URL from the video, and I've added in the extra entries as well for those of you that shared the video and sent me an email to let me know where you shared it. And I think I just have to press this button and see who comes up. So it's having a think. Oh, there we go. Diane's Designs. Oh, that's fantastic. So she's just left a really lovely comment there on what she's grateful for. Oh, thank you so much for that, Diane. So if you could get in contact with me, Deanne's Designs. If you could get in contact with me and drop me a message on Etsy and pick 3 of the kits, and we will get those sent over to you. Well done, and thank you everybody for taking part. So for the next giveaway, we're going to be sending out a parcel of some of our made up ephemera from our recent YouTube tutorials. And all you have to do to enter this giveaway is just to leave a comment below. And in your comment, can you just tell us where you find our YouTube videos? Just trying to do a little bit of market research really to see, you know, if you were kind of putting it on the right place, or, you know, if you're getting it from a Facebook group, or if you noticed the link somewhere, or if like we come up on your YouTube search, or if you have clicked the bell and you get a notification. We'd just be really interested to know really how we're kind of getting into your inbox. So if you just leave a comment below, and then we will get these drawn then ready for the next
So those of you that are in our Facebook group will know we recently had a botanical journal swap, and I was very, very pleased to have drawn for my partner, Joan, and her journal arrived yesterday. So I'm going to do a little flip through for you all, because it's come all the way from Texas. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bag that she sent in. Isn't it just stunning? So it's a lovely gingham bag, all these lovely little straps, and then inside, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. Right, let's take this card out of here so you can see the beauty that is sitting underneath. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Goodness, I've never seen a multi-dangle like that before. That's lovely. Wow. Just turn the keyer in the right way. Look at these buttons on the top as well. I just want to double check now that you can see everything in frame. Yeah, okay, we're good. We're good. So there's a lovely card in there for me as well. Let's have a little look. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's been cross-stitched on there as well, so she's done that herself. And then the fabric is the fabric from the journal, and also from the tassels on the bag. So what did she just say? Oh, thank you for... Yes, she did. She did do the card herself. Oh, hi to Bella. Well, Bella was actually here when your journal arrived, so she had a quick peek through. I didn't look because I wanted to open it on a reveal, but she absolutely loved it. So she says to say hi back to you as well. Let me just, yeah. Okay, I don't know where to start. Take time to stop and smell the flowers. Oh gosh, isn't that true? Wow, look at this here. Look at the binding as well. She's got a ribbon there running through the lace, covering up her binding, and then, oh my goodness, look at this beautiful fabric. Isn't that just stunning? So, so lovely. My gosh. Does that? Oh, it does. That comes out. Oh. Wow, look at that. Gosh, that's huge. What a beautiful journaling card. What a clever idea. I wouldn't have thought of doing that, look. So there's all of the embellishments that are on the journaling card. That is lovely. And I love this trim here around the edging with all of the floral designs on. I put that back in the right place now. There's pressure now, look, of trying to slide things back into places on camera. Oh, there we go. There we go. She's in. Okay. Whew. It's enough pressure when it's your own, but when somebody else has made it, oh,
my goodness, let's take a look inside. Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. This is stunning. Look at that binding on there as well. Absolutely amazing. And what have we got here? A dragonfly dangle. Isn't that lovely? Wow, that's just gorgeous. I love this paper. You'll have to tell me this kit. It is stunning. Oh gosh, I'm just going to go and move that off there. It's part of the page. Sorry, can you see? What have we got in here? We've got a tag. And some lovely lace edging down here. This is definitely a beautiful botanical page. That's really lovely. Oh gosh, look. Gosh, what a great idea. Look, she's split the page in half, look, to make a pocket. Put this lovely tag in. Oh, isn't that stunning? I just love all of the finish on everything. It's so pretty. Bloom where you're planted. Absolutely. Country bells. There's lovely botanical book pages there. Oh, look at that page. Isn't that stunning? Wow. And then we've got a little altered paper clip there, and then a envelope, which of course we have to look inside because that's the nature of what we do, isn't it? That is lovely. I love that. It's a great place to put some hidden notes. And then this lovely lace finished paper. Oh gosh, look at that. Birthdays of the royal family. Well, how interesting is that? My word. Definitely need to ask whose kit this is because this is stunning. Really lovely. I love how much writing space there is in here. I can see I'm going to end up using this for my gardening, I think. Oh, look at this. It's raining, it's pouring. Did you know it was coming to Wales, Joan? Is that why you've put that in there? Because it usually is. Although today it isn't. It's actually quite a nice day. I've been sat out in the garden with the pups most of the afternoon, letting them play. But usually that would be very appropriate. Yes, it would. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful envelope. That is stunning. Oh look, and we've even got a Velcro closure on there, look. That is amazing. I love that. That butterfly really jumps off there, doesn't it? These pages are just gorgeous. I love them. And I just love how there's just lots of lovely writing space, but it's all really vintagey. Another botanical book page. Oh, look at this. Gosh, these tags and pockets are really vibrant as well, aren't they? This is lovely, Joan. Really lovely. I like that page as well. It's another nice pocket. I've got some vintagey tags and bits and pieces in here to journal on. So they'll be handy when I need to remember what seeds I've put in. This is a stunning kit. The earth laughs and flowers. Oh, that's a nice sentiment, isn't it? Little postcard there. I'm loving the blue. It's funny, you often think, oh, Botanical, you don't think blue, but I did put blue in mine, and I like it. I do like a bit of blue. Oh gosh, look at that. What a great idea. Oh, I love that. That is just stunning. My gosh, you've got some beautiful ephemera in here. Really, really lovely. Some great writing pages. That is gorgeous. Love that. What have we got on here? We've got a little chimey with a flower on. Oh, that's lovely. And a bead. And then we've got some more ephemera in here. That's lovely. Really like the colours in this kit. And that's vellum. She's printed that on vellum there, look. Sorry, put those back tidily. Love that page. Oh, wow, look at this. You know, your eye to go first. Sunshine in my soul. Oh, gosh, look at that. And it all goes so well, it looks like it's part of the actual page. Fantastic. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and it feels, there's like a texture to it as well. That's a really interesting doily page. I haven't seen one like that before. I can't tell now if that's an old book page or
She's aged that so well. I thought that was actually out of a book. My goodness. Attention to detail is amazing. Another one of these lovely tags. So pretty. Oh, I recognise some of this trim. I've had some of this trim from Natalie. I wonder if Joan did the same. Very pretty. Gosh, these pages are lovely. Oh my word, look at the colouring on these. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Just so much detail, so much to look at. Oh, that is fantastic. I love that. I love it's the yellow butterflies. It's so unusual in here. You know, we're so used to seeing oh my goodness sake, so cute. We're so used to seeing, aren't we, blue butterflies and pink butterflies. We don't often see a yellow butterfly. Well, I have not often seen a yellow butterfly. It's really quite unique with this kit. Gosh, this is stunning. Joan, you'll have to tell us who the kit is by, because it is just so beautiful. Really lovely. Oh, I like your vintage ephemera is super cool as well. Really cool. Gosh, that's unusual, isn't it? Oh. Again, lots of lovely tickets. And I like the size of these tickets that you've printed off as well. They're not too small and fiddly. You can, you know, write on those, can't you? And put some decent notes on them. Flowers in her hair. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. We've got a mini notebook here now. Oh, this is so cute. And every other page then has got a lovely pattern on it. Oh, wow. This journal actually makes you feel like you want to write in it. You want to add to its loveliness, because it's kind of, sometimes I have journals and I'm like, oh, I couldn't possibly write in this, but this makes me feel like I want to be part of it. Does that make sense? I'd have to practice my very best handwriting first. Oh, we got some extra little bits in here. Oh, they're so cute. So cute. I love this music paper envelope. That's lovely. That's gorgeous. Oh, look at these die cut butterflies. Oh my goodness, and another signature. My gosh, this is huge. Oh, I love that bead on there. That is so pretty. And then we've got more writing. Another gorgeous collage page. Definitely need to find out where these kits have come from, because they're stunning. Oh, and there's a tag there. Oh, look at that. She's got like a leaf trim on there. Lovely, lovely. Oh, more beautiful butterflies. Oh, I love your stitching on there. Can you see what she's done with the stitching there? Have your hand done that? I want to say you've hand stitched that. That's, I don't even know if you could do that on a machine. I don't think I'd be able to do a machine. That's too neat for it to be a machine. I want to say she's hand sewn that. That is gorgeous. Joan, you'll have to answer all these questions now in the comment below, because everybody's going to want to know how you did that and where these beautiful kits have come from. Because this is just gorgeous, gorgeous journal. Oh, I've missed a page. Look at these lace finishes as well. Lovely book page there. Oh, or maybe not. No, I think that's also been printed too. And these doilies are amazing. Oh, look. Right, let me go carefully here now, because I don't want to pull the wrong thing. So we've got a tag there. Beautiful. And then we've got like a belly band effect. I think she's folded this kind of like a concertina style. And then these are gorgeous. Really, really lovely. It's almost like a snow effect on these pages. Another lovely envelope there with garden seeds. Do I need to open that one? I don't know, I better double check. It's like a compulsion, isn't it, to look inside an envelope? No, we're okay. It's fine. I'm just afraid if I don't open something, I should have. If that makes sense. Lovely. Oh, that's pretty. So pretty. Some more lovely vintage ephemera. Oh gosh. And this is the page that's in the little mini notebook. Very lovely. Oh, look at this. My gosh, this is just beautiful. Sunny days, let it grow.
Wow. I love these papers. I've been looking for a kit that's a bit different to work with. And I shall have to find out where this one's come from because I really love it. In fact, I think it's probably a few. I may be wrong, but I think there's a few. Just going by the different colours. This is super cute. Gosh, what a great idea. I really get stuck for tag ideas sometimes, just trying to decorate them, and I love that, especially that bit of layer in there as well. That's really lovely. Great little pocket there. The other side of that gorgeous doily. Oh, here we go, look at this. A washi pocket filled with, oh, look at that. From Joan. Joan Brown. Here we go. Joan has a YouTube channel. I will put the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. And you need to go and check that out. And I'm sure she's got some videos on there that will tell us some of the secrets that she's got hidden in this beautiful journal. So I think it's a brown dragonfly. I will just double check. I'm not very good with names, but I'm fairly certain that that's what her channel's called. Gosh, my goodness, this is a bit... What I'd like to know is how you get the back to look like that. Because I always have to back everything on mine. And oh my goodness, that's just stunning. Oh, sorry, I do apologise, Mr. Page. Oh, gosh, look at that. Oh, I just love that combination of colour there. These are stunning. Absolutely stunning. Joan, thank you so much. That is such a pleasure to look through that journal. And although it will sit nicely on my shelf now through the winter, in spring it's going to be coming out, and I am going to use this. I'm going to use it this year and put my gardening details in. So thank you so much. Everybody, if you wouldn't mind going and checking out Joan's YouTube channel, I'd really appreciate that. Give her some support because she does such beautiful work, and she's just such a huge partaker of our community. She's on the admin team for Line.Arrow and the design team, and she was in our joint design team project that we did for the summer bloom as well, and she did some fantastic work for that too. So and of course she's part of our Facebook group. So thanks for taking part in the swap, Joan. Really appreciate that. It's great to have you as my partner. Everybody else, don't forget now to go and leave a comment below. I'm going to start putting together the parcel and the package for the ephemera for the giveaway, and make sure you leave a comment letting me know how you found today's video. All of you have a lovely weekend, and I will be back with you all very soon. Take care now. Bye.